Welcome everybody to the tutorial Image Recognition with LearningML. LearningML is a web platform for teaching and learning about machine learning and is designed in the context of the Erasmus Plus project FIAS, fostering artificial intelligence at schools. In this tutorial, we will use the LearningML application to build an AI model to classify images. A model is basically a mapping between an input, here an image, and an output, here a class. What we will do today is build a model that classifies images of animals into 4 classes: crabs, butterflies, crocodiles, and kangaroos. Let's start and go to the web application. A link can also be found in the description of this video. So we can choose between 2 versions, a stable and a beta version. The beta version has more functionality, but it is still being tested. This means there still might be errors or things not working exactly like they should. So for now, let's use the stable version. We are interested in images, so we click on Recognize Images. Here we see the 3 steps we will need to build our model: train, learn, and try. These correspond to the different steps in machine learning, the AI technique we will use to build our model. In machine learning, models are trained, and they will learn how to classify images by looking at examples, called the training examples. How many examples are needed depends on many factors. Using LearningML for simple examples like ours, 10 examples per class would be the bare minimum. So then, as a second step, these examples will be used to create the model. More precisely, the algorithm behind this will learn a mapping from images to the classes. And finally, we can test our model. Let's start with the first step, adding our training examples, the data that will be used to train the model. We have 4 classes. We have to add them one by one. So the first one is butterfly. Okay. The second one, crab. Let's click OK. The third one, crocodile. Oops. And the last one is kangaroo. Now we add images to each of these classes. You can add images saved on your computer, and you can also use the webcam. So I don't have a crocodile sitting around at home, so I will upload images from my computer. So I have already prepared the images. I have examples of all 4 classes, and I also have some test examples. The latter are images that are not present in the training example, so I can test how well the model performs on images it has never seen before. So let's add the images. So first we start with the kangaroos. So let's add all of them at once. Then let's go to the crocodiles. So again, upload them all at once. And then the crabs. And finally the butterflies. And then the second step is learning how to recognize the images. So this step could take a while since it is computationally hard. So let's wait a bit for that. Okay. So now we can verify how accurate our model is. So we'll test the model on an image it has not seen before. So an image not included in the training examples. So let's go to the test folder and let's pick this one. Okay, so it's pretty sure that it belongs to the class crab. So what basically happens is that for each class, it gives a probability, kind of confidence, that the image belongs to that class. So this example is classified as a crab because there is an over 95% of confidence that it belongs to that class. So let's try something else. Let's try another one of our test examples. So this one, this should be a butterfly, and yes, it is 88% probability. Now let's try something completely different. What would happen if I upload the image of this animal? Well, it is a butterfly. So this seems to make no sense, but it actually does. The model has only learned how to map an image to one of the 4 classes. It does not know anything besides those 4 classes. So according to the training data, this cat resembles a butterfly. So now you can save your project. You can either download the copy to your computer or save it in the cloud if you have a LearningML account. So next time you can open the project either by uploading it for your computer or from your account, and it will contain all the classes and the training examples already loaded. This means you can also open projects created by someone else. Several examples can be found on the LearningML website and also on our FIAS project page. The images used for the animal classifier we created today can be found on the LearningML website. You can find the link in the description of this video. In the next video, we will see how we can use the model in our programming platform. See you then.